Good morning. Last day na today. Para talagang nasa bahay kami ni Kuya. And alis na din naman. Maligo lang ako. Tapos meron pa kaming activities. May pa-assignment kasi. Good morning. Aga. Ano oras? Ano oras na, Mami? Pa-5 pa lang. Napaka-aga naman. Sobrang excited naman itong botante na to. Kala mo naman may premyo pag maaga. Kala mo dalawa bilang ng boto mo. Dami naman si Tappy. Alright, we're ready to go na. I can't wait to get home to Singapore, but at the same time, I'm so grateful to know myself more in this self-retreat. Maybe I'll get more into detail once I come back to Singapore and settle, diba?
On the way na kami ni Mami, tapos may mga libreng sakay ng tricycle papunta doon sa ano. Dalawa pala. Okay po.
Hintay na lang po kayo pag
Hindi makakapasok, so hindi ka talaga makakapag-park. So tama lang, mag-tricycle. Sobrang aga. Mami, anong oras na? Nasa isa. 5:30 na kasi marami pa tayong gawa.
Kasama niyo.
Map. Social school. First day na. Galingan mo na. First day niya. Ang dami ng tao, pero 7 AM, tapos na kami.
This is the outfit. Ganda-gandahan lang ulit. Later, we will be doing a reenactment of our body story, and I wrote a funny one. My boobs deserved a LinkedIn. Okay, so this is my story. My boobs deserve a LinkedIn. There was a day, actually several days, when I genuinely considered giving my boobs their own LinkedIn profile. I mean, they've networked, supported, and carried me through more than half of my career. Let me explain. These babies have closed deals, started conversations, and unintentionally attended meetings before I even entered the room. One time, I swear a client looked at me dead in the eye and said, "I trust your instincts, but sir, you're talking to my cleavage." It's not just them though. My butt. This butt deserves an HR memo. She's late to every outfit, but when she arrives, oh, she arrives. I once wore jeans so tight, my booty filed a complaint for overcapacity conditions. But the truth is, I love this body. She jiggles, she sways, she takes up space, and she slays. She survived heartbreak, danced through shame, and still shows up in a bikini like, where's the camera? Because while society gave me labels like too much or too big, I gave my body names like sensual CEO or self-love goddess. So yeah, my body is curvy and funny to some, but she is also wise, worthy, and wonderfully mine. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to update my boobs CV. Thank you!
Ano yan, pero super makatitikim, Mami.
Okay, nakauwi na kami. Breakfast.
Breakfast!
Alam mo naman pagod na pagod sila sa pagboto. So, ano masasabi mo ngayon sa botohan ngayon, Mami?
Peaceful naman.
Siguro
Oo,
kasi
kasi
maaga.
Pero merong mga iba na wala na sa listahan nila.
Baka
Maraming
naiba.
nawala.
Oo. Baka namatay. Char.
Sa Silya, kinukuha ko pa yung Silya para hugasan niya yung mga plato. Ngayon malaki na, abot niya na yung lababo. Kaya pagka nahuli siya, ang bagal niyang kumain, siya na maghuhugas ang kakainan niya.
So, gagala na naman po ang mga milyonaryo. Ingay naman. Pero ako naman ang ginagawang bank account dito sa Pilipinas. Jollibee again. Crave si Mami. Ako butong masaserve rin. Yeah. With mayonnaise on the side. Shrimp. I'm back home na. So, bili lang ako ng pagkain sa labas. And then, I don't know if I'm gonna eat outside or dito sa loob. But I'm glad to be back. Watching results, yun, waiting. Syempre, hindi pa rin majority ng mga matitino yung nandun. But at least, yung top 2 man lang na senators na bet namin, at least nakapasok sila. Slowly getting there. And of course, sa local, nadali yung mga binoto ko.